Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the second part of cybersecurity. In this video we will discuss cybersecurity challenges, automation in cybersecurity tools and career opportunities. Let's start with challenges. Cybersecurity is constantly challenged by hackers, data loss, privacy, risk management, and changing cybersecurity strategies. The number of cyber attacks is not expected to decrease in the near future. Moreover, increased entry points for attacks, such as with the arrival of Internet of Things, increase the need to protect networks and devices. One of the most alarming elements of cybersecurity is the evolving nature of security risks. As new technology emerge and used in different ways, new attack routes are developed. Keeping up with these frequent changes and advances in attacks, as well as updating procedures to protect against them, can be challenging. Additionally, organizations gather a lot of potential data on individuals who use one or more of their services. With more data being collected, the chance of a cyber criminal who wants to steal personally identifiable information is another problem. For example, an organization that stores personally identifiable information in the cloud may be subject to a ransomware attack. Organizations should do what they can to protect a cloud breach. Another challenge to cybersecurity includes a shortage of qualified cybersecurity employees. As the amount of data collected and used by businesses, the need for cybersecurity staff to analyze, manage, and respond to incidents also increases. Let's see how automation is used in cybersecurity. Automation has become an integral component to keep companies protected from the growing number of cyber threats. Using artificial intelligence and machine learning in areas with high volume data streams can help to improve cybersecurity in three main categories. Threat detection. Artificial intelligence platforms can analyze data and recognize known threats as well as predict unknown threats. Threat response. Artificial intelligence platforms also create and automatically enact safety protections. Human augmentation. Security experts are often overloaded with alerts and repetitive tasks. Artificial intelligence can help to eliminate the alert issue by automatically deciding low-risk alarms and automating big data analysis and other repetitive tasks, saving humans for more sophisticated tasks. Other benefits of automation in cybersecurity include attack classification, malware classification, traffic analysis, compliance analysis, and many more. Here are some cybersecurity tools and systems which protect us from bad people. Identity and access management, firewalls, endpoint protection, anti-malware, intrusion prevention, detection systems, data loss prevention. Security information and event management, encryption tools, vulnerability scanners, virtual private networks, cloud workload protection and platform. And the last one is cloud access security broker. Vendors in the cybersecurity field typically offer a variety of security products and services. For example, well-known cybersecurity vendors include Checkpoint, Cisco, FireEye, Fortinet, IBM, McAfee, Microsoft, and Rapid7, and so on. Finally, what are the career opportunities in cybersecurity? Well, as the cyber threat landscape continues to grow and new threats emerge, such as Internet of Things, individuals are needed with cybersecurity awareness, hardware and software skills. IT professionals and other computer specialists are needed in security roles, such as Chief Information Security Officers is the individual who implements the security program across the organization and supervises the IT security department's operations. Chief Security Officer is the executive responsible for the physical assets and cybersecurity of a company. Security engineers protect company assets from threats with a focus on quality control within the IT infrastructure. Security architects are responsible for planning, analyzing, designing, testing, maintaining, and supporting an enterprise's critical infrastructure. Security analysts have several responsibilities that include planning security measures and controls, protecting digital files and conducting both internal and external security audits. Penetration testers are ethical hackers who test the security of systems, networks, and applications, seeking vulnerabilities that could be exploited by malicious actors. Last one is threat hunters, are threat analysts who aim to uncover vulnerabilities and attacks and eliminate them before they compromise a business. Other cybersecurity careers include security consultants, data protection officer, cloud security architects, security investigators, cryptographers, and security administrator. Alright, so this closes up today's video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you in the next video.